Alright guys, we are in Animal Company and yeah, I've been secretly grinding in Animal Company for lots of money, and as you can see, I have over 100,000 nuts, aka the money in Animal Company. So I'm going to be spending all of those, and I need to be done by the end of this video. But I need to be at 1,000 by the end of this video. So let's get into it. Alright, the first tactic is I'm going to join a public. Yo guys.
So like he told me to drop it, so I dropped it, and
Guys,
then I picked it back up, and then I grabbed this
random stuff because why not?
I'm him.
Let me just guys.
I want to do research points with me.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Bro, I can't even buy stuff anymore.
Yeah, Bone.
Bro. Okay, well, I'm already at 97,000. I'm going to join another public. I'm just going to keep on joining publics. Hey guys!
No, it isn't. It isn't. This guy's tree or something. He has the worst Don't mind me.
Peace.
Don't mind me. I'm just.
Yo, I'm just spending money, bro. Right now we are at 17.
I don't have anything,
guys.
I don't have.
Someone get a grapple or something. I don't know.
What are you trying to get?
I'm gonna join another public.
Please, does anybody want to go in sewers with me?
Oh, I come to your present, and guess what? I'm giving out free OG bags.
Yeah, I got that.
I'm giving out free OG bags.
Can I have one?
Who wants a free OG bag?
Yo, become
I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna throw it,
Please,
and y'all have to catch it. Go get it.
Can I get that one as well, please? Please. Gadgets.
Nice. In the bag. One more final one.
Wait, don't throw it yet. Don't throw it yet.
Please.
Wait, guys,
the one that
I'm
came
doing
out
something.
first day.
Oh, shoot.
Got an extra
Wait, don't throw it yet.
stuff.
Don't throw it yet.
Yeah, don't
please,
throw it yet.
don't
He
make-
just snatched it out of my hand. He just snatched it out of my hand.
I'm doing it.
I have a black bag.
Okay, guys. This is the end of the video, and I have successfully spent all of my money. I went past to getting to 1,000, and I got 16. I have spent all of my money. So, see you guys in the next video. I missed out on the first OG backpack ever, and I missed it. Bruh.